What's up everyone? So this right here is a mechanical counter, and the way it works is as you move this lever, it increments the count by 1. So what I think the coolest part about it is when it gets to 9, it automatically increments the next wheel to make it 10. And it will do that all the way up to 999. So this whole thing is 3D printed. There's no hardware in this, there's no electronics in it, it's just PLA. And it can also count backwards as well. I saw this mechanism on YouTube and it got me fired up because I just love mechanical stuff like this. It's sort of obsolete at this point. So I wanted to make a version that was 3D printable that you guys could download and print at home. So let's chat a little bit about the mechanism that makes this work. So these small gears right here are the thing that makes this entire mechanism work. These are called carrier gears. And you'll notice that there's missing teeth on one of the sides. And the gap between these two teeth right here fit perfectly against the outer edge of these incrementing rings. So normally this carrier gear is locked and it can't move. But once a rotation, the teeth on these incrementing rings come around and they engage with this carrier gear, allowing it to rotate this exact amount, which using this 8:20 gear ratio gives you exactly 1/10 of a rotation of these number gears, which is one single number's increment. So this same mechanism is operating between this number ring and this number ring, and this number ring and this number ring. So every time this rotates one full rotation, this increments this by 1, and every time this rotates by one full rotation, it increments this by 1. So a cool feature of this mechanism is it actually works the same way in reverse, which is what allows us to be able to increment and decrement using the exact same action. And that's the mechanical counter. It's such a cool mechanism, and there's something so satisfying about watching all three numbers move at the same time. Nowadays, everything is digital and done with electronics, and the art of mechanical design is kind of being lost on us. So it's really awesome to see something like this working, especially something that was just fully 3D printed. The files for these parts are available on my website. They're also available for free for all my Patreon subscribers, and I've done all the work for you guys to set everything up. All you have to do is drop the parts into the slicer, make sure they fit on the bed, and then hit print. Thank you guys so much for watching. I would love to hear what you guys think, so drop some comments below. I'm looking forward to responding to all of you. And stay tuned, there's tons more mechanisms and just cool 3D prints coming. So follow along, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.